So will you please join me in giving a warm welcome to Sasha Connor.
I'm the founder of Virtual Work Insider, which is a consultancy that coaches teams and organizations on how to lead and collaborate across any distance.
I became the first fully remote member of the leadership team that overlooked the $1 billion cleaning division. I want you to be ready by knowing the 4 must-have skill areas to be an effective virtual leader. I want you to be aware that you are all working in a virtual work environment, even if you're working from an office location. And I want you to be change agents.
I talk a lot about location diversity and inclusion. Everybody is included in everything that you're doing, regardless of where they sit.
Those are what we call water cooler moments. It's those seemingly innocuous moments that are moments of influence. This is very hard to do in a virtual environment. You have to be really deliberate about recreating these water cooler moments. A lot of what we have learned as leaders and managers is all under the premise of us being co-located. How do we include distance into the leadership skills that we learn?